Good morning children, welcome to Maths class. In the previous class I taught you cubic identities. Today I am going to do the sums related to that identities. Using the identities we are going to do the sum. Now first sum is 2a plus 5 whole cube. A plus 5 whole cube. So in the bracket, inside the bracket we have two terms with plus sign, and here power is cube. So which identity we have to use? We have to use a plus b whole cube. If you are thorough with the identity only, we can do the sum. So a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Now we have to compare. So in the place of a we have 2a, in the place of b we have 5. So on comparing, a is equal to 2a and b is equal to 5. Now we have to replace 2a in the place of a and 5 in the place of b. So how to compare? Inside the bracket the first term is, in the place of a we have 2a, in the place of b we have 5, we have plus sign, so we are using this identity. Now 2a plus 5 whole cube is equal to, first we have a cube, in the place of a we have to replace 2a. So here in this we have only the variable, here this term contains a constant and a variable. So if it is like that, we have to write whole cube plus, here 3 is there, the 3 should be written as such. Now a squared, in the place of a we have 2a. Here also one variable and constant, so we have to write whole squared. Then in the place of b we should write 5. 3a squared b means 3 into a squared into b. If you put bracket, it is understood as into. So plus, again we have 3 here. Then in the place of a we have to replace 2a. In the place of b squared we have to write 5 squared plus b cube, that is 5 cube. Now 2a cube, 2a whole cube means 2 cube a cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, so it is 8, so 8a cube. So this place we have to write 8a cube plus 2a squared. 2a whole squared is 2 squared a squared. 2 squared is 2 into 2, that is 4 a squared. So 3 into 4a squared into 5 plus 3 into 2a into, now 5 squared is 25. So 5 squared is 5 into 5. Now 5 cube is 5 into 5, that is 125. Now we have to multiply. So 8a cube. Now this expression is all the 3 terms we have to multiply. So 3 into 4a squared into 5. This fully we should multiply. So 3 4s are 12. 12 into 5, 60. Then we have this a squared plus, and here also we have to multiply this fully. So 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 25 we should multiply. So 5 6 are 30, balance 3, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. So 150 is the number, variable is a plus 125. Hope this you would have understood. We have to multiply 3 into 4 into 5. So 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now we shall do the second sum. Expand. Two x minus 4y whole cube. Here also first we have to find out which identity we have to use. Inside the bracket we have two terms with minus sign. So which identity should be used is a minus b whole cube. So identity is a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. So when minus sign is there in the identity, here minus will come, minus b cube. Now we have to compare this. In the place of a what we have and what we have in the place of b we should find out. So in the place of a we have 2x and in the place of b we have 4y. Now we have to expand. So 2x minus 4y whole cube. So b is equal to 4y. Here already minus sign is there, so here also minus sign. So only the value we should write, not minus sign, because in the identity already minus sign is there. Now 2x minus 4y whole cube is equal to, first we have a cube, in the place of a we have 2x. So here also one variable and constant, so it should be written as whole cube minus 3, here minus is there, same minus, 3 is there, that 3 should be copied as such. Now a squared, in the place of a we should write 2x. So 2x whole squared into, in the place of b we should write 4y plus 3, in the place of a here 3 is there, plus 3, same plus 3 we should write. In the place of a we have to write 2x. In the place of b squared, b we have 4y whole squared. Why here we are writing whole squared, a constant and a variable, so it should be written as whole squared minus b cube. In the place of b we have 4y. We should not write only cube, it should be written as whole cube. Now 2x cube. What is the meaning of 2x cube? So 2x whole cube is equal to 2 cube x cube. 2 cube x cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8x cube. So 8x cube minus, now 2x whole squared is 2 squared x squared. 2 squared is 2 into 2, then x squared. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4x squared. So 3 into 4x squared into 4y plus 3 into 2x. Now 4y whole squared. So 4y whole squared is equal to 4 squared y squared. For 4 also squared, y also squared. 4 squared is 4 into 4. Then y squared. 4 into 4 is 16 y squared. So into 16 y squared minus 4y whole cube. So 4y whole cube is equal to 4 cube y cube. For 4 also cubed, y also cubed. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4 y cube. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 64 y cube. Now this is 8x cube minus, now this fully we should multiply, 3 into 4 12, 12 into 4 48. First numbers. Now x squared into y is x squared y. Here variables are different, so it should be written separately like this, plus now numbers we are going to multiply, 3 into 2 6, 6 into 16, multiply 6 into 16, 6 6 are 36, 3 balance, 1 6 is 6 plus 3 9, so 96. Now what are the variables here? X, and here we have y squared. So x y squared minus 64 y cube. This is the answer. Now we will do the third sum. Now we will do the next sum. Here we have 3 brackets. In the brackets, first term is same. Here we have p, here we have p, and here also we have p. But the second term is different. So we have to use the identity x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. After writing the identity, we have to compare. In the place of x we have p, and in the place of a, in the identity we have plus sign, but here the value given is minus. So a is equal to minus 2. Then x, in the place of x we have p, and in the place of b we have plus 1, and in the place of x we have p, and in the place of c we have minus 4. Now we will write the identity. So p minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4. Now we are going to replace x cube. In the place of x we should write p cube plus a. In the place of a we should write minus 2. In the place of b we should write plus 1. In the place of c we should write minus 4 into x squared. In the place of x squared we should write p. So p squared plus ab. ab means a into b. In the place of a we have minus 2. In the place of b we have plus 1 plus in the place of bc we should write now b is 1 and c is minus 4 plus ca. In the place of c we should write minus 4 and in the place of a we should write minus 2. Next we have one bracket here, so we should close the bracket, multiplied by x. X value is p plus abc. abc means a into b into c. So a is minus 2, b is plus 1 and c is minus 4. Now we should find out the values. This is equal to p cube. Now here these both are minus sign. So we can add minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6. With that if you add plus 1, both are different sign. So we have to subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5, greater number sign is minus. So we will get minus 5 into p squared. Now we should multiply these two. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, minus into minus is plus, so plus 8 into P. Now this fully we should multiply, minus into minus is plus, so plus 2 4s are 8, 8 into 1 is 8. Now here we should find out the values for this one. So minus 2 minus 4 we should add. If we add we will get minus 6. With that we have to add plus 8, but here we are having different sign. So we have to subtract from the greater number. 8 minus 6 is 2 and greater number sign is plus. So here we will get P cube, my plus into minus is minus, so minus 5 P squared plus, and here we will, for this answer is plus 2, 2 into for this one P plus 8. So this is the answer. So P cube minus 5 P squared plus 2P plus 8. For this answer what we have found out is plus 2. So plus 2 into P we have to multiply. Now next sum is hundred and four whole cube. This 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 whole cube. Now inside the bracket we have two terms with plus sign and here power is cube. So the identity used here is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Now we are going to find out the values. In the place of a we have 100 and in the place of b we have 4. So a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 4. Now let's replace the values in the identity. So 100 plus 4 whole cube is equal to 100 cube, a cube. In the place of a we have to replace 100. So 100 cube plus 3 should be written as such. Now a squared, a is 100, 100 squared. In the place of b we should replace 4 plus, now we have to write 3ab squared. So 3 should be written as such. A is 100 and b is 4, so 4 squared plus 4 cube, b cube is 4 cube. Now 100 cube, we should find out the values. So 100 into 100 into 100. Here 1 into 1 into 1 we should multiply, that is 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Now that is 10 lakhs. Now here it is 10 lakhs plus, now 100 squared. So 100 squared is 100 into 100. 1 into 1 is 1. Now we should write 4 zeros. So that is 10,000. So 3 into 10,000 into 4 plus 3 into 100. Now 4 squared is 4 into 4, that is 16. So here we will get 16. Next we should find out 4 cube. So 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. Now we should multiply. Now this first value is 10 lakhs plus, now we have to multiply this. 3 into 4 is 12. Now 12 into 10,000. So 12 into 1 is 12. After that we should write 4 zeros. So that is 1,20,000. Plus, now 3 into 100 is 300. 3 into 100 is 300 multiplied by 16. Now 16 into 3 is 48. Now 2 zeros are there, that 2 zeros should be added here. So 4800 plus 64. Now all these 4 numbers we should arrange and add. So 1 followed by 6 zeros. Now we have to arrange the second number 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2, then 1, 4864. So 4, 6, 8, 4 and here it is 2, then 1, 1. Now if you put commas it is 11 lakhs 24,864. So if it is given like this without using identity, we should not multiply 104 into 104 into 104. We have to expand using identity and find out the answer. So if any number is given like 58 squared, this should be splitted as 50 plus 8 whole squared. So the number, one number should contain 0, only then it will be easy for us to multiply. And if we have 97 squared, it should be 97 cube. It should be written as 100 minus 3 whole cube. So if the number contains 0, it will be easy for us to use the identity. Hope you would have understood the concept. Thank you, children.